Hi, I am Ms. Blue. This is Mr. Aguiar and Ms. Hornick. We are your 7th grade team. I am your 7th grade math teacher. This year, we're going to work on lots of areas of math. We will start with things as racial and proportional relationships, be able to compute unit rates, be able to recognize and represent proportional relationships between the quantities. For number systems, we'll work really hard with fractions, fluency of fractions, and all rational numbers, with adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying. And moving forward to expressions and equations, multi-step equations, and geometry, surface area and volume of three-dimensional shapes, and area of composite shapes. That's kind of a wrap in math, but a little bit of everything. Hard work. Everybody will be successful.
And I'm Mr. Aguiar again, and I teach language arts and social studies. And in language arts, you'll be learning narrative writing process, rough drafts, of course, and then peer editing will be involved. And then from there, the persuasive writing, where you're arguing a certain topic. And finally, expository writing, where you're explaining. Some of you you're probably already doing this type of writing. We're just going to take it to another level. And we're going to be doing a review of parts of speech. This year we read The Outsiders. So we'll have a few more novels and short stories as well, and poetry. Hope some of you like poetry. It'll be lots of fun. And in social studies, we'll be starting with the Renaissance era. We'll be focusing on world history, studies of the world. And in the Renaissance period, you'll be learning about Da Vinci. Then we'll go on in the second quarter to French Revolution. That's one of the highlights with Napoleon. Some of you may have heard of Napoleon as well. And industrialism in the third, with Andrew Carnegie, for example, and the invention of the steel process. And then in this particular quarter, we're wrapping up with World War II. So you'll hear names like Winston Churchill and Adolf Hitler, which probably you've heard of them as well. But we're looking forward to having you next year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Hornick, and I am Science 7. So there are 4 big areas that we cover. We cover motion, the effects of forces on motion, and we look at graphs and try to interpret graphs that represent motion. We also cover energy. That includes different forms of energy, the transfer of energy, along with transformations and conservation of energy. We also go into the atmosphere. That's another big unit, and within that unit we study the weather, climate, and the effects that weather and climate have on us, as well as the effects they have globally. So we cover all of that, and then we have another unit on living organisms. So we talk about cells in the body. We go over the major systems of the body, and then we also touch on genetics. So a lot to cover, and as you can tell from what we've all had to share, you have a lot to learn next year, and we hope you come ready to learn, and we're looking forward to seeing you. So have a great summer, and be ready to start up in the fall.